Hello, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power t is equal to t raised to power 2, okay? And to solve this, in fact, by mere inspection, right, we can always agree that the value of t is equal to 2, right? Following the rule that if you have a raised to power b is equal to a raised to power c, since they have the same base, right, b is equal to c. So, in fact, right, following that rule, t is equal to 2. But do you know that there are other values of t that we can get from this equation? Okay, so let us solve for the other values of t. So solution, we have t raised to power t is equal to t raised to power 2. And from here, right, first thing is to divide both sides by t raised to power 2. So t raised to power 2. Such that we have it as t raised to power t all over t raised to power 2, right, is equal to, this will divide this, you have it as 1. And from here, right, there's a rule of indices that if you have a raised to power b over a raised to power c, right, this equals, since they have the same base, you pick one of the bases and then subtract the powers. Why? Because they are joined by division sign. So b minus c. So in this case right here, following this rule and applying it right here, right, we have the same base tt, so pick 1, and since they are joined by division sign, right, you just subtract the power. That becomes t minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, at this junction we are then going to introduce natural logarithm to both sides of the equation, but don't forget that logarithm is equal to log 2 base 10, while natural logarithm ln is equal to log 2 base e. So in this case, right, we can apply the property of logarithm to natural logarithm. So introducing natural logarithm to this side of the equation, so ln t raised to power t minus 2 is equal to ln 1. Now in this case, right, following the property of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b then becomes b times log a. So power b becomes b times log a. Applying this rule right here, power t minus 2 becomes t minus 2, right, multiplied by ln t, which equals ln 1. And from here, the value of ln 1 is equal to 0. So inputting ln 1 as 0, we have it as, in bracket, t minus 2 multiplied by ln t is equal to, here becomes 0. So at this junction, we can equate this to 0 and equate ln t to 0. So t minus 2 is equal to 0, or we have it as ln t is equal to 0. From here, you can have it that the value of t is equal to 2, and this is the first value of 2. And in fact, by inspection, we all agree that yes, the value of t is equal to 2, right? Seeing the equation the first time. But then let's also get for the other value of t from this other equation, that ln t is equal to 0. So to solve for t, we're going to introduce e to both sides of the equation. So e to the power of ln t is equal to e to the power of 0. And with this, e, we cancel out ln. What we have is t standing alone. So t is equal to, now e to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, and we did the second value of t is equal to 1. Now the first value of t1 was 2, and then the second value of t is equal to 1. Well, let us confirm if truly the value of t that we got as 1 and 2 are the correct values of t that will satisfy the given equation. So the equation is t raised to power t is equal to t raised to power 2. So let us check. Let's check. Okay, from here, for the first value of t, which is equal to 2, right, inputting t as 2, t becomes 2, right, raised to power t is 2 is equal to t is 2 raised to power 2. So with this equal, now 2 to the power 2 is 4, which equals 2 power of 2 is 4. So that means that the value of t as 2 is the correct value that will satisfy the given equation. Okay, but let's also test the value of t2. Now for t2, which equals 1, right, the equation is t raised to power t is equal to t raised to power 2. Now t is 1, so 1 raised to power t is 1 is equal to t is 1 raised to power 2. Now 1 power of 1 is equal to 1, which equals 1 power of t is equal to 1. So that means that the value of t 2 as 1 also satisfies the given equation. And with this, right, we've come to the end of this video. But then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.